today we are going to make a breakfast casserole. I haven't made this in such a long time, so I'm really excited. I have my little mini cook over here to help. I already have the sausage cooking on the pan. It is 1 pound of hot sausage, so we're gonna go ahead and crack the eggs and get the rest of the ingredients ready. Let's see, how many eggs do I have? I have 9 eggs. Let's do 8 eggs. Do you wanna help me crack the eggs?
Yeah.
No? Okay. 1. Yep. Ye. Some. Say. What's this one? What's this one? Lo. What's this one? Chat. What's this one? Fat. Good job. Should we just use all 9 eggs? Let's just use all 9 eggs.
No.
Yep. Okay, last egg. 9 eggs. We need 2 cups of cheese. Ah! It scared me. You want to pour it in? You don't want to pour it in? 1. 2. Do you want to pour in the milk? You don't want to pour in the milk? Do you want to pour it in?
No.
Okay. 1, 2. Some salt. Okay, shake the pepper. Some mustard. Don't touch the eggs with it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Thank you. Here. Okay, stir it, hold it, hold the bowl, and stir. There you go. Stir, 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 stir. Press, 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 press. Ah, it is hot. So I'm going to cover it with foil, and I'm going to bake it for 45 minutes at 350, and then uncover it and bake it again for another 10 to 15 minutes. It's not hot just yet, but if it was hot, you probably shouldn't touch it like that. Okay, into the oven it goes. I got my big bowl right here. I'm so excited. It's so hot.